Hey, thanks for joining us. Today, Greg and I are talking about a new law you're going to want to make sure you're aware of. You have to move over now if you see an emergency vehicle on the side of the road, right?
Right. And it's any police officer, sheriff, DPS, anything like that, Texas Department of Transportation, any ambulance, even any tow truck, anybody who's on the side of the road, you got to move over because they don't want you running into those people like, we all know that happen.
Well, yeah, that makes sense because there's been a lot of tragedy because of people hitting those people in the emergency vehicles. But my biggest question is, what happens if you can't get over? Say there's cars flying by in the next lane or there's heavy traffic. What do you do?
Then what the law says, even in the first scenario we were talking about, you still got to slow down. But in this situation, if there's no lane or there's no way to get over, you've got to slow down to at least 20 miles an hour. And of course, it'd be better to slow down even more than that. But you got to just slow down. You can stay in that lane, but you got to get to 20 miles an hour or below.
Okay, so make sure you're bringing that speed down. Now, this isn't something that you have to do if you see, just your fellow citizen, non-emergency vehicle who ran out of gas or they're changing a tire, having some sort of car trouble. But it is a good practice to just move over and be courteous to others, right?
Well, not just courteous, but, keep from injuring people, keep from killing people. I mean, I can't tell you how many people I've seen seriously injured or killed pushing their car on the side of the road or changing a tire or just getting out to stretch or something and, maybe switching who's driving. I mean, it happens all the time. So just, common sense, if they're making you do it for police officers and ambulances and tow truck drivers, just do it for anybody, just move over a lane and slow down until you get past it.
Yeah, good advice. Just watch out for each other.
And it'll keep you out of trouble too, keep you from, some serious jail time if you injure somebody too. So.
Absolutely. All right, Greg, thank you. Thank you for joining us. We'll catch you next time.